Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video. Weight loss journeys can be filled with ups and downs, and one common challenge that many individuals face is hitting a weight plateau. These plateaus can be frustrating and demotivating, but it's important to remember that they are a normal part of the weight loss process. In this video, we will explore individuals' challenges when encountering weight plateaus and discuss the importance of incorporating strategies beyond dieting for sustainable weight loss. When you hit a weight plateau, it can feel like you're doing everything right but still not seeing the desired results. This can lead to discouragement and even cause some people to abandon their weight loss goals. Understanding why weight plateaus happen and how to overcome them is crucial for long-term success. While dieting is significant in weight loss, it's not the only factor to consider. Incorporating other strategies, such as exercise, stress management, sleep quality, and mindset shifts, can all contribute to breaking through a weight plateau. By taking a holistic approach to weight loss, you can create lasting changes beyond just shedding pounds. This video will share valuable tips and approaches for overcoming weight plateaus that go beyond traditional dieting advice. Learning new strategies and techniques allows you to navigate challenges and continue progressing toward your weight loss goals. Stay tuned to discover how to break through weight plateaus and achieve sustainable results. Understanding weight plateaus. Weight plateaus are common during weight loss journeys and can be frustrating for many individuals. These plateaus occur when the body reaches a point where weight loss stalls despite continued efforts to diet and exercise. In this section, we will delve into the concept of weight plateaus, exploring the physiological and psychological factors that contribute to their occurrence. Physiologically, weight plateaus can be attributed to metabolic adaptation and hormonal changes in the body. When you consistently consume fewer calories than your body needs, your metabolism may slow to conserve energy. This can make it harder to lose weight, even if you maintain a calorie deficit. Additionally, hormonal fluctuations, such as changes in cortisol levels or thyroid function, can also impact weight loss progress and contribute to plateaus. On a psychological level, weight plateaus can significantly impact individuals' motivation and mindset. Feeling stuck and not seeing the scale budge despite your efforts can be disheartening and lead to self-doubt and frustration. It's essential to recognize that weight plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss journey and not a reflection of your worth or effort. Typical scenarios where weight plateaus can occur include reaching a certain body weight set point, experiencing muscle gain while losing fat, or simply hitting a temporary plateau before further progress is made. By understanding the reasons behind weight plateaus and how they can affect your body and mind, you can better navigate these challenges and stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Beyond dieting. Lifestyle modifications. Incorporating lifestyle modifications beyond diet changes is critical to achieving sustainable weight loss when breaking through weight plateaus. In this section, we will discuss the importance of adopting a holistic approach to your lifestyle to overcome plateaus and continue making progress toward your weight loss goals. Regular physical activity is crucial in boosting metabolism and overcoming weight plateaus. Exercise not only helps burn calories but also builds muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Incorporating cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine can rev up your metabolism and break through plateaus more effectively. In addition to exercise, other lifestyle factors such as adequate sleep, stress management, and hydration are essential for supporting weight loss efforts. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels that regulate appetite and metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Managing stress through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help prevent emotional eating and support healthy habits. Staying hydrated is also essential for overall health and can help curb cravings and boost metabolism. To incorporate sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term weight management, consider setting realistic goals, creating a balanced meal plan, prioritizing self-care, and seeking support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Remember that small, consistent changes over time can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. By focusing on a holistic approach to your lifestyle, you can break through weight plateaus and achieve lasting success on your weight loss journey. Mindset and motivation. Mindset and motivation are crucial in determining success when navigating weight plateaus and sustaining weight loss. In this section, we will address the impact of attitude and motivation on overcoming setbacks, staying committed to your goals, and breaking through plateaus on your weight loss journey. Staying motivated during challenging phases of the weight loss journey can be tricky, especially when faced with insurmountable plateaus. One strategy for maintaining motivation is to set small, achievable goals and celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Tracking your progress through measurements, photos, or journaling can also help you stay focused and motivated to continue pushing forward. Positive thinking and self-compassion cannot be underestimated when overcoming setbacks and plateaus. Instead of viewing a plateau as a failure, see it as an opportunity to reassess your approach, make adjustments, and continue moving forward. To inspire and motivate viewers, sharing success stories or testimonials can be a powerful way to demonstrate that overcoming weight plateaus is possible with dedication and perseverance. Hearing about real-life experiences of individuals who have successfully navigated through plateaus and achieved their weight loss goals can provide encouragement and motivation to stay committed to your journey. Plateau busting strategies. When faced with a weight plateau, it's essential to have a toolkit of practical tips and strategies to break through and kickstart progress on your weight loss journey. This section will provide actionable methods to overcome plateaus, adjust your approach, and progress toward your goals. One effective method for breaking through weight plateaus is calorie cycling, which involves alternating between higher and lower calorie days to keep your metabolism guessing and prevent it from adapting to a consistent calorie intake. Intermittent fasting is another strategy to help jumpstart weight loss by promoting fat burning and improving metabolic health. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a powerful workout technique that can rev up your metabolism, burn more calories in less time, and break through fitness plateaus. Tracking your progress, adjusting your goals, and seeking professional guidance when needed are crucial steps in overcoming weight plateaus. By monitoring your food intake, exercise routine, and measurements, you can identify patterns, make necessary adjustments, and stay accountable to your goals. Consulting with a healthcare provider, nutritionist, or personal trainer can provide valuable insights and support to help you navigate plateaus effectively. Encouraging experimentation with new approaches is critical to finding what works best for your body and preferences. Feel free to try different strategies, mix up your routine, and explore new ways to challenge yourself physically and mentally. By staying open-minded and willing to adapt, you can discover the methods that resonate with you and propel you past plateaus toward sustainable weight loss success. Celebrating milestones. As you progress on your weight loss journey, it's essential to recognize and celebrate the non-scale victories and milestones that signify your achievements beyond just the numbers on the scale. This section will highlight the significance of acknowledging and appreciating the positive changes in your energy levels, fitness performance, and overall well-being as you work towards your goals. Instead of solely focusing on the number on the scale, encourage yourself to pay attention to improvements in your energy levels, endurance, and strength. Notice how your fitness performance has enhanced over time, whether you can run longer distances, lift heavier weights, or complete workouts more easily. These non-scale victories are indicators of your progress and dedication to your health and fitness journey. Self-care practices and rewards that reinforce positive behaviors and achievements can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. Treat yourself to a relaxing massage, a new workout outfit, a day of rest and rejuvenation, or any other form of self-care that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Acknowledging your hard work and dedication reinforces positive habits and builds a strong foundation for long-term success. Maintaining a balanced perspective on progress beyond just the numbers on the scale is essential for your overall well-being. Remember that weight loss is not solely about reaching a specific number but also about improving your health, confidence, and quality of life. Celebrate the small victories, embrace the journey, and appreciate the positive changes you are making in all aspects of your life. Overcoming weight plateaus and achieving sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach beyond dieting. By incorporating lifestyle modifications, focusing on mindset and motivation, and implementing plateau-busting strategies, you can break through barriers and continue progressing toward your goals. It's crucial to understand that weight plateaus are a normal part of weight loss and should not deter you from your goals. Adopting a holistic approach to weight management that includes regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and hydration is essential for long-term success. Staying motivated during challenging phases, practicing positive thinking and self-compassion, and celebrating non-scale victories are all critical aspects of navigating weight plateaus and sustaining weight loss. You should implement the tips and strategies discussed in this video, stay committed to your goals, and reach out for support when facing challenges. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. A community of individuals is ready to support and motivate you. I invite you to engage with our channel for more tips, support, and a sense of community as you navigate your weight loss journey. Together, we can overcome weight plateaus and achieve lasting success.